So we're gonna try to do this. I'm having some technology issues, so I gotta kind of do this quickly because I'm having issues with the size of my videos that I'm sending, all right? But you need to start here. This is the sample problem of the write your own vector, okay? So this is in your packet. This is one that we will work through together. And then this is what you will do on your own, which is the next page, okay? So let me show you how this works here. Okay, so I have this worked out. You're gonna write a vector problem based on your birthday, okay? And right now I'm just gonna use the United States as my example and July 4th, all right? But your birthday will be different, there'll be a different code, all right? So the first thing is, the criteria is you're gonna have to use 5 vector components to build your big birthday vector. We'll get into that. You must use each compass direction. You must have at least 2 set at a 90-degree direction. You may use 3, okay? I would recommend using 3 because that's easier. And then 2 have to be at non-90 degrees, okay? Now you can choose to do that, and now this is what I'm gonna show you, but it is more difficult, okay? You will use this code, this whole thing right here, to figure out what your birthday will be, okay? So here is how July 4th would look, okay? So here's my example that I have worked out already, okay? So what you do is you take the date of birth and multiply by 25 to get the magnitude. So the date would be the 4th, July 4th, 4th times 25 is 100. So the magnitude of my vector is 100, okay? Then you will take the month of the birth times the code to get the angle. Well, July is the 7th month, so we'll go July, that's 7, and the code is 7, so we'll do 7 times 7, so it's 49 degrees. That will be my angle, okay? Then the direction is based on the ides of the month. Now, if you don't know what the ides are the 15th of the month. So even numbered prior to, even after, prior to, after. So the 4th is less than 15, so it would be prior to the ides. Again, the ides are the 15th of the month, so it would be south of east. So we then pick some appropriate units for your vector. Since no one is gonna wanna pick momentum vector units, I will do them here as a demo. So it's kilogram meters per second, but you could use meters or meters per second or meters per second, or newtons, whatever you'd like here. And so my total vector will end up being 100 kilogram meters per second, 49 degrees south of east, okay? Now, once you do that, you need to figure out what your total X and Y components are, okay? And so I have kind of done that over here so that I know this is 100, this is 49, right? We do some SOHCAHTOA here, and I get, in my east and west direction, I get 66, all right, or a positive 66, and I get, hey,